Hello, my name is Devika and I am excited to share a bit about myself. I hold a bachelor degree in computer application with a foundation in programming and problem solving. During my journey, I am currently interning at Srishti Innovative, where I am immersed in the world of Python-based data science. One of the key projects I have contributed to is a face recognition project. It was a collaborative effort that not only showcased my technical skills but also my ability to work effectively in a team. During my academic journey, I worked on a remarkable project called the Food Waste Reduction App, which was another team effort that showcased my ability. I consider myself a hardworking, honest, and responsible individual. I believe in setting high standards for myself, and I am always determined to achieve my goal. I take pride in my ability to meet deadlines and deliver quality results within a specified time frame. I am eager to contribute these qualities to make a positive impact in this company. Let's collaborate and create some remarkable moments together. Thank you.